How to create a Flipkart account. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to create a Flipkart account. To create a Flipkart account, you first need to install the app. So open up your respective app store. On the search bar type in Flipkart, and when you open up Flipkart or install Flipkart, so click on the open button after you've completely installed. Now here you just be taken to this field, so click on accounts from the bottom of the page, and then you want to go ahead and click on the login button, or you just need to go ahead and tap on sign up. So when you do this, type in your phone number, or you could also use your email address instead of that, and click on continue. After which it's gonna ask you to go ahead and type in your phone number. So you could just go ahead and use email address once again. So go ahead and type in that and then click on the continue button. After which provide in your phone number and tap the continue button. After which it's going to ask you to enter in the verification code that's going to be sent to the registered phone number. And when you are done entering the verification code, you will then be taken to the next field where you have to create a profile. That means entering your first name, last name. You could add in an address, all sort of things. So you just need to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt, and that is how you'll be able to create a Flipkart account. So this is the way. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.